darling. The people them give me a files. You have a file document I saw. Yes, it's her mama man she take. Jake's was for her mother because she used to fuck Jake's uncle. She used to fuck Jake's uncle before Jake's. And Jake's did not fuck her mother. And she take a woman blood clot, man. Jake's was your stepfather first. So could Rosealee come talk what you know about me. Can all I see if you give me a file? Your file I. The stepfather become your baby father. Remember, Rosealee, where you're coming from. You was fucking Jake's uncle first. And the mother was Laverne did a fuck Jake's. And you take your mama, man. It was your stepfather at the time. And you take him from Laverne. Or it really blood clot come down. Stinky dinky. Fucky chululu. Fucky broke backs. Come here, so. Big pussy Rosealee will be a man skinny dip in your big hole. Come here, sir. Come here now. Remember your mama, man, you take. The whole I see if you know say your mama hate you. You take your mama, man. That's why you know woman can't agree. The woman despise you.